The Nike LeBron 23 Miami twice embodies a bold fusion of innovation and legacy, honoring LeBron James Miami championship years while pushing performance boundaries. Its muted pink and dark teal palette reflects the city's vibrant culture, paired with a reverse swoosh that nods to the LeBron 10 crown jewel. The sneaker debuts the first full-length ZoomX drop in midsole in his line, engineered for unmatched cushioning and responsiveness. Comfort and breathability come from a lightweight upper with plush lining, while a carbon fiber shank provides explosive stability. A 23 patterned outsole ensures superior multi-directional grip for quick movements. By channeling Miami's energy and celebrating back-to-back victories, the LeBron 23 makes a statement both on and off the court. It empowers athletes with late-game dominance while doubling as a striking lifestyle piece that bridges sport, style, and heritage.